Dito kami nag-aantay sa school. Ayan, ang aga namin dumating. 5:30 pa mag-restart ang kanilang disco. So, waiting muna ng ilang minutes. And then, playing day outside. Oh, nandun yung...
Oh, Mommy, why are you like that?
Naantok ako. Kasi naantok ako.
Hey, Daddy, did the...
Oh, no, that's Casey and
Hey, did the water...
May disco sila tonight bago mag-start ang school holidays. 2 days left na lang sa school holidays.
Daddy, can you get your phone and search the mentions? I want to see the mentions.
Ate. Yeah. Ayan, uwi na. Tapos na.